So here we go, the grand tour of War Paint for Men's first ever shop. So follow me.
It's not called makeup, it's war paint.
Entrance area. This is all very product focused. Consultation area here for people to come, find out about makeup, if they've used it before or not. We've got nice mirrors here. It's a real cool vibe, real nice feel to it. Obviously we've got product here. We've actually sourced this cabinet from France, so it got brought all the way in because we were very particular on the look and the feel. It's even got a ladder. Who has a ladder? Look at this. It's got a ladder. Obviously display units, storage. This is really exciting for me. This is the first ever interactive experience Q&A with me, right? It's a bit embarrassing because I'm on it. So all you need to do is select a product. So you've got concealer pen, bronzer, let's go with concealer. I appear like that. And all you need to do is press start conversation. So try asking, what is concealer? Literally all I'm gonna do is press the button. What is concealer? Concealer is, I like to call it a jack of all trades, because a concealer you can use for pretty much anything, but generally concealers are used to hide blemishes, scars, spots. So anyone can ask me any question about any product right here. This is quite cool, watch this. So really, how do I apply concealer? Great question, and I've got a really easy answer for you, just watch this tutorial. Now I'm going to talk about the concealer pen. An amazing unit. Needs a bit of anti-shine, that guy. It's really easy to use. Anyway, interactive experience. First ever in retail, never been done before. More displays here. What we'll also be setting up here is live streaming from the store. So we're going to rope this area off, have cameras set up here, educating people online about products from the store, which again is not really done in the UK, but we'll be starting that in the next couple of weeks. This is a cash desk. This is where we'll be taking the payments. So come on through, because this is like section off, right? So product focused here, education. Then you come through to this area. It's more of a relaxed vibe. Look, shout out to my fiance as well, Kirsty. She sourced everything in this store. Like, I had it designed and everything like that. We sat down, went through it, but she has sourced everything from cabinets, sofas, lighting, display units. She's been unbelievable. So, thank you. Chill out area, see here, we've got content playing. All you can see is me in this store everywhere. It's my mum, look at my mum. So we'll be playing our episodes of the series, which you're currently watching. We'll be on here. Real nice product display here where we do all of our sets. So this is where you can come and have a look and we can show what the different types of sets are. More products here and here. Nice plants. Obviously nice mirrors and stuff like that. This comes through to here. This is the bar area. So hopefully what we'll have, because you'll see in a minute, we've got a barber section behind us, but guys, or look, not guys, girls can come and chill here at the bar. We'll be serving non-alcoholic drinks, so you can come here, chill, and yeah, it's just a nice environment. So the other thing we've got, which is really, really cool, which again, is it's the UK's first. No one's ever done this. So this is a machine that makes makeup on site. It's a bespoke making machine. So we'll take some readings of your skin. It will give you exact skin shades, exact skin match. And then we've got these packaging and bottles here that we take out, put them in here, and it literally makes the makeup on site, which is incredible. And if you can see on here, it says designed for me on the packaging. A little bit of touch there to show that it's been made in store. That will also be coming online, which is really cool. And now we move to the barbers area. So everyone knows that this whole process of me, War Paint, has been born out of mental health and my own struggles, and I want to do so much more. The reason we're calling it a wellness store as well is because we're doing a lot of stuff around mental health, and this is, you know, being a non-alcoholic bar where we're trying to say come to a bar, have a chat, but don't depend on alcohol to always talk. So that's why we're doing that. The barbers area, we've partnered with the Lions Barber Collective, so we've gifted them this area, kitted it all out for them. They're putting the barbers in, but 100% of the revenue is going back to that charity, the Lions Barber Collective. We're not making, I promise you, not a single penny out of it. All of the revenue is going back to them, because Tom Chapman, the founder of it, his charity goes around and teaches barbers how to spot signs of mental health in their clients, and I think it's an unbelievable program, and this is their first ever retail space, so it's going to drive lots of revenue and awareness for them, which I'm absolutely buzzing about. And look, even a hair wash. Okay. Straight in. Short back and sides. So we even went with expensive extinguishers, so they look better.
Safety first.
Safety first. And now down here, I'm not actually going to show you what's down here yet. That's really frustrating, I know. But down here is a mental health space that I've been working on for the last 4 to 5 months, which I promised you has never been done before. You know, it's maybe take me a lot of time, cost me a lot of money. It's going to be a free service for you. So people just walking off the street, go down and have an experience and find out information about mental health in a way that's never been done before. I'm really excited about it, but unfortunately I can't show you that at the moment because I'm launching it in September, so watch out. Whoa! Right, listen, I need to go and get ready because we've got a massive launch party tonight. Loads of people come down. I'm a little bit nervous. Hope everyone receives it well. So I need to go and get changed because I'm kicking up. So I'll see you shortly. So I'm back. Real quick change, ready to go. I've been doing press all day. There's loads, look at the people outside, like I've got drinks ready, the DJ's setting up, people turning up in an hour or so to have a bit of a dance, to enjoy the night, to celebrate what we're doing at Warpaint.
Don't you look amazing?
Look!
Who's that
Hey
done?
boys, my mum! My mum! Let me show you. Come on.
Yeah.
What do we think of the store?
We love it! Absolutely amazing. Unbelievable.
Look at it, unbelievable. Look at this, hey? My God. Walking up Carnaby Street, I was like almost in tears, I reckon. Yeah.
Look at the state of this. I can't actually believe it's happened today. It's gone so well. We've got press coverage. It's been unbelievable. This is what it's about. It's your friends, your family being proud about what you do. Like, it's a big gamble to do Warpaint. Like, I can't even tell you how hard it's been. But I mean, look at that, mate. To be able to do something like this on Carnaby Street is unbelievable. Got all my friends here. And it's something I couldn't imagine. And I wake up every day and I can't wait to go to work, and I feel privileged to do that because I do stuff like this.
This is what I mean. This guy is absolutely incredible. He's doing it for the real reasons. He's real, he's genuine, and that's why I love you, mate. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's just the start, mate. We're going to change the world.
Look at that.
Real, mate.
And Tom's on the same wavelength, right? We're doing stuff on mental health, and do you know what we're doing? We're having a good night, we're having a drink, we're enjoying ourselves, but we still have mental health in mind. And that's what I'm going to break down, that everyone has mental health, it's how you manage it, right? This has been the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, but the best thing. And I just want to open the world up to say, look, just try something you might not have done. If it's going to make you feel better, it doesn't matter. And listen, what anyone else says, just do it if it makes you feel right. It's about doing something that you find hard, you think it might not work, take that risk. Trust me, please, take the risk and do something, because there's no way I thought I'd be here in 2 years, and I am. What a night, what a day. Come and visit us, come down, check out the store, we're going to be here 7 days a week, check out loads more to come, but I'm going to go and enjoy myself. Ridiculous.